Where can I find my debit card routing number?
Hello there. In this video, we're going to discuss a common question many people have. Where can I find my debit card routing number? Understanding your debit card's details is vital for various transactions, like setting up direct deposits or making online payments.
What is a routing number?
A routing number is a unique, 9-digit number that identifies a specific financial institution within the United States. It's used for various banking transactions. But it's important to know that this number is not typically found on your debit card.
So, where is the routing number?
The routing number is generally found on your checks and in your online banking system. On your checks, if you have a checkbook associated with your account, the routing number is the first set of 9-digit numbers printed on the bottom left corner of your checks. Online banking. If you don't have checks, another place to find your routing number is your online banking system or bank's mobile app. Here's how to do it. Log into your online banking platform or mobile app. Look for a section labeled Account Information, Account Details, or something similar. In this section, you should be able to find your routing number.
What about my debit card?
Your debit card carries other essential information such as your 16-digit card number, expiry date, and CVV code. However, it does not contain your routing number. If you need your routing number, you'll need to refer to your checks or online banking, as mentioned in Section 2. And there you have it. Now you know that your debit card does not contain your routing number, and you'll need to use your checks or online banking to find this information. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your bank or financial institution. Stay savvy with your banking details, and take care.